Let's look at time, feel, and function through the lens of actual songs. I've played on a bunch of songs in Nashville and other places over the last 40 years. And so let's look at a song by Trisha Yearwood called Walk Away Joe and talk about how time, feel, and function work within the context of my piano part of this song. So time, feel, and function, survival tools for musicians. Time, inner metronome. Feel, my body, connecting the music with my body. And function, what is my job? So in Walk Away Joe, I was the main source of the subdivision and the feeling of the song. It starts out with just piano, right? Then the vocal starts. That's my basic pattern. So time is me keeping this steady tempo. I am the provider of the tempo. I start out the song, the drums, the hand drums, and the bass come in a little later, but they are responding and playing to this groove and this feeling that I've set up. So my time is 1, 2, and I'm subdividing in eighth notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2. So that's the time aspect, is I'm the timekeeper. I'm accessing my inner metronome and all of those subdivisions. As you notice, my foot so that is law. That guy is dictating where the pulse is, and then I'm playing my subdivisions as a response to that. The feel is it's in my body, so it's sort of this rolling thing, and I'm using dynamics. I'm not just playing them all at the same dynamic. I'm rolling with the dynamics. Going from soft to loud, not even loud, but sort of medium. And function is just that. Function is, as I said, function is I am the creator. I'm making the rhythm and the feeling and the subdivision. Bam, bam, doo, dum, doo, dum, bam, bam, doo, doo, dum. So I'm creating a mood through my TFF. I'm creating the feeling and the mood of this song, and I am accomplishing the time, the feel, and the function all at the same time. They're all working together. At some point in the song, there's one point where I do that, and it lifts off and it matches the lyric, and so there it is again, the subdivision, a little triplet, and then back, and all of that feels seamless because I've got my body involved. My body is accessing my inner metronome, so I can trust what's going on in my body, and then I can play as a result of that, and in response to that.